Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. What's common between those three vehicles, the engine that they use, that hybrid engine that has been used in the hybrid models and Energi hybrid models as well. Now, we will explain where the camshaft position sensor is located, guys. Stay with us, we'll cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain what needs to be done now. Okay, in order to do that, we'll go ahead and open the hood. Now, if any of you guys need a really inexpensive computer for diagnostics, to check codes, clear codes, see live data, the Foxwell, guys, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it for a really good price. Check it out, it's amazing too. That can pay itself off in one-time use practically, guys. So in order to get to the camshaft sensor, you need to remove the upper engine cover. For any of you that don't know how to do that, we have a step-by-step video how to remove upper engine cover. I recommend to check it out. Why? Because you don't want to break anything on that vehicle. Everything's tight and everything's expensive as well. So if you look at your engine, it looks quite common to the non-hybrid engine, guys. Okay, not very different when you look at it that way. And if you come right here, you see you have ignition coils, fuel injectors, VVT solenoids, but right here, guys, that thing right here is your camshaft position sensor. If you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor, we made a video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. With that being said, let's explain, okay, what you have here. You need to grab the connector, push it in to relieve the pressure, press down, disconnect it, never pull for the wires. At that point, you have only one bolt with 8mm socket that you need to remove, guys. Okay, right there. So let's go ahead, grab it, pull it out, okay, and the bolt will come out. And once we do that, okay, there is one seal that it's very important to make sure it came out, because sometimes it will be stuck on the valve cover and you try to install a new sensor and it can fall in or not seal correctly and you can leak engine oil. This is the bolt, it has thread locker on it, blue thread locker, so apply some when you put it together, grab it, pull it out. This is your camshaft position sensor right here, guys. Okay, that's what it looks like. So now that's the seal that I was talking about, make sure that it's here. And this is the engine on the inside. It's like brand new engine at 82,000 miles. So that's how you guys do it. If you want to know the symptoms of bad camshaft position sensor, we'll have the video on the channel as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.